Hello students, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine. Students, let's start our today's session. In this session, we will talk about plants. Students, in our previous sessions, we have learned many things about plants, like we get many things from plants. Plants and trees give us shade. Now we will talk about care of plants. If we keep the pot with a plant in a dark room, is it right situation for the growth of a plant?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it is wrong. We should keep the pot in an open area, right? Students, let's do an activity. Take some fresh flour and some plastic flowers, right? You can also take paper flour. Then smell all the flowers. Then tell me which body part is used to make difference between fresh flour and paper flour. Which body part is used here for smell?
Nose.
Nose. Nose is a sense organ. With the help of nose, we can take smell. Students, open your book I Can Achiever Level 4. Trace and write the 3-letter words. Trace and write. Speak and write. Speak after me. B-I-B, bib. Speak and write. Firstly trace, then write. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. Students, open your phonetic booklet, page number 6. Let's read the vowel sound I. You know there are 5 vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. In this session, we will learn I vowel. Okay? Speak after me. Match with the proper picture. B-I-N, bin. Match it with bin. F-I-N, fin. Match with fin. Fin means fish. W-I-G, wig. Match with wig. N-I-B, nib. T-I-N, tin. B-I-G, big. L-I-P-S, lips. P-I-N, pin. Match with pin. B-I-B, bib. H-I-T, hit. F-I-G, fit. S-I-X, 6. S-I-T, sit. K-I-D, kid. Students, read the I sound word and match with proper picture. Okay, students. Now play with your friends. Do not go outside. Do not fight with each other. Wash your hands before and after playing. Play with your friends and enjoy a lot. Students, let's revise the numbers 41 to 50. Open page 31 of your workbook and count the flowers. Count the flowers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Count like this and write 41. In next 4 to 42, right here. Then next 4, 3, 43. Next 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. Students, open page 32. Count the flowers. Count the flowers and write the numbers. Here you write 4, 6, 46. Then 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. Okay. 5, 0, 50. Count and write. Use lead pencil. Okay. Use lead pencil. Touch bottom line. Handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay. Students, after doing your work, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have learned in your session, like 3-letter I sound words, bin, bin, pin, pin. Okay, numbers 41 to 50. You have learned where should we keep the plants. You have learned now? Yes. Students, you have also learned the 3-letter words for the proper growth of plants and difference between fresh flower and paper flowers. Okay? With which body part helps you? Which body parts help you to make difference between paper flower and original flower, fresh flower? That is nose. Nose can help us. Students, practice the rhymes you have learned in your previous sessions. Okay? Do not fight with your siblings. Help your parents in cleaning the house. Do your homework on time. Okay? Play with your friends and siblings. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.